Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to plumbing valves, there are a couple different types. So here I have a globe valve, I have a gate valve, and then I have a ball valve. The ball valve is for PEX, these other two are threaded. But guys, we'll start off with a globe valve. So a globe valve, it has an arrow right here. So with a globe valve, water goes in through the bottom, it goes up, and then it comes out the top. So if we open the valve, you can see how it comes out from the top here, and then it comes from the bottom here. So this valve here, this is a metering valve. There is no on or off. That's not the idea. That's not the design of this valve. So an example for metering is radiant heating. How much water do you want flowing through the circuit will depend on the temperature and how much heat you want. Now, one problem with this valve is that you lose 60% of the flow through the valve. That is why you will never use this type of valve on a water main. Now guys, one other thing to take note. This has a circular handle, that has a circular handle, and this has a winged handle. This one here, this ball valve, you can see if it's open or closed just by looking at it. These other ones, you can't. The globe here and the gate there, you don't know by looking at it what is the position. So guys, this globe valve here, this is a metering valve. It is directional and you lose a whole ton of flow through it. This is one of the oldest designs. I don't know if it is the oldest design, but this design was on my house, my 7-year-old house, originally on the water main. Next, we have a gate valve. So we have the same circular handle. So you can see how it's open. This is full port. It doesn't reduce. And then when it goes down, you have a gate, a big door that just slides up and down. This is an isolation valve. It's either on or off. You don't have anything in between. So like I said, the handle, you don't know if it's open or closed by looking at it. But guys, one thing about these two valves, you never want to back them all the way out. Back it out and then give it a quarter turn. This one, same thing. Back it out and then you're going to give it a quarter turn. The reason is you don't want the very top seizing to the body of the valve. So if you turn it in a quarter turn, you're going to prevent that from seizing. Guys, now we have a ball valve. So ball valve, open, close. By looking at it, you can see. So you can see the ball inside, and this is a full port, once again. That is open and close. This is, again, an isolation valve. Guys, you can get ball valves that are not full port, and I don't suggest you getting these types of valves because you lose flow through it. But this is another isolation valve. It's either open or it's closed. This, I think, is now the most common valve you will see. The great thing about this valve, it's simple, it's cheap, and it works really well. So guys, when it comes to valves, you're generally going to use a ball valve for a main or a shutoff. For a hose bib, you're going to have actually a globe valve. That is the one place that you're still going to see globe valves when it comes to outdoor spigots or hose bibs or whatever you want to call it on the outside. Guys, with this in mind, select the valve for your project, for whatever you need it. And these gate valves here, you're not going to see these very often anymore. You'll see it on big stuff, 3-4 inch, but I don't think you're really going to see it on 1/2 inch stuff anymore. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.